Hello everyone, I'm going to explain today Experiment Lab machine learning, and my name is Praveen. I'm going to explain like first we'll see importing libraries and loading datasets, and here we are using pandas, numpys, matplots, seaborn, and also importing libraries for data analyzing and visualize and pre-processing and ML, and also it loads the Toyota dataset into a pandas data frame, and it will it will convert the columns into and show the datasets, and also it used to this one, yeah, this one. It will split the datasets into two types, and x and y. It will here it will drop their values and exit the values. It will use to split the completed. It shows the split completed, and it handles invalid values and displays data sizes and rows, columns, and information about everything. And also, it will use separate the features and x, something like x and y. Target values are giving here x and y, and it splits into a 80%, 20%, or 70% to 30% testing data, and training data. It will train the data and size of training data and testing data sets, and like verify the splitting worked correctly, or it checks like it worked correctly after the splitting. It checks like works correctly or not, or anything in train dot shape, a train test dot shape, and everything it will check there. And next, feature scaling, example like percent using percentage in this, and scalar dot fit everything here. See, scalar dot fit transform and standard features, and like mean is equal to 0 and standard deviation is equal to 1 in this, and prevents features like with large values from to dominating the model. And next, checking missing values. See here, missing percentage and missing values. um, Percentage for missing values in each column. It will check like each column which column it is missing and which column it is incorrect, on decide how to handle it, missing data. And next, drop dropping columns or remaining columns, drop and many missing values, like using drop to close a df dot drop, and with using to close to drop and in place in is equal to true. It finds like more than 20% of missing values, and it's like those columns are the data set from where it removes, and missing all missing fill missing values. It will fill the missing values. This one everything, like numerical columns are filled with the mean value, and it also checking like columns are filled with most frequent values, and it also using it will here like remove outliners, calculate the z score to detect the extreme values, and remove the rows where to larger or greater than 3 standard deviations, and everything. And next, set mm, like such features do not help in machine learning, and it's removing a low variance frequencies in these datasets, like remove features with small number variations, and features contribute very little information, and matrix, it will use some matrix use like corrections greater than the 0.9% numerical features, and select the best important features in based on the statistical test. Okay, this is the lab assignment 2 of ML. Thank you everyone.